Hi, and welcome to the weekly Fundamental Podcast. Here I bring you updates from the world of stock markets and top stock ideas straight from our research desk. So let's get started. Markets globally witnessed an action packed week because of the underlying pressure from commodities. Commodities are experiencing volatile price swings since the past year. Even prices have hit their highest since November 2014 after OPEC decided to stick to their planned output. Natural gas soared with no relief for coal either as it climbed to record highs, leaving various nations to grapple with shortages. This spiraled into an energy crunch, setting up a domino effect. In India, September CPI inflation moderated further to 4.35%. August IIP grew 11.8%, led by a favorable base, even as it declined sequentially by 0.3%. From the stock markets, the Nifty was at 18,339 on 14th October, gaining 2.5% during the week, while the Sensex was at 61,305, gaining 2.1% during the week. Moving on to the FPI flows, after witnessing inflows in the month of September, FIIs turned net seller till date in October to the tune of Rs 2,517 crores. Brent crude oil prices are trading at elevated levels of $84 per barrel, driven by sharp increase in energy prices globally, which can be a key headwind for equity markets. In addition, any increase in rate by US Fed in the near future would also act as a key headwind for overall flow in the emerging markets. Hence, we expect FPI flows to remain volatile in the emerging markets. Now, coming to the global markets, the Federal Reserve could begin reducing the pace of its monthly asset purchases as soon as mid November, according to the minutes from the September meeting. The meeting summary indicated members feel the Fed has come close to reaching its economic goals and soon could begin normalizing policy. The target date to end the purchase, should there be no disruptions, would be mid 2022. Global markets are also trying to digest the latest US inflation data, which rose higher than expected in September, increasing pressure on US Fed to raise rates sooner than later. Coming to the top stock picks, our pick of the week is ABB India with buy rating and fair value of rupees 2030 rupees. ABB India stands on the strength of its relationship with global parent. ABB scores over Siemens in sensitivity to key business themes, that is manufacturing, exports, automation, digitalization and new businesses. Our revised decadal revenue CAGR estimate to 22% factors in a 150 bps support from prospects in automation in warehouse, energy efficiency and mining. Our next stock pick is Infosys with buy rating and target of rupees 2000. Infosys reported excellent all-round growth, improvement in client metrics and stable margins. Guidance is conservative even after material increase. We raise FY22 to 24 revenue growth estimates by 1 to 1.5% while keeping his EPS largely unchanged. Infosys will lead on growth among tier 1 players. Growth leadership deserves premium multiple. We raised fair value to rupees 2000 from 1775 earlier, valuing the stock at 30 times September 2023 EPS. Finally, coming to Tata Motors, we have upgraded the stock to buy from reduced rating with target of rupees 500. The company is leapfrogging into electric mobility era. The TPG group will invest rupees 75 billion in Tata Motors electric vehicle subsidiary at an equity valuation of $6.7 to 9.1 billion. The newly formed subsidiary will proactively invest in expanding product offerings while thoroughly creating a synergistic ecosystem. We believe electrification in passenger vehicles can rapidly accelerate amid favorable government policies and declining battery prices. Tata Motors can establish itself as a formidable player in the electric vehicle space with lack of such launches from competition. So guys, for more details on these recommendations, you can visit research section of Kotak Securities website. So that's all for today. See you again next week with more market insights. Thank you and happy investing.